Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, class 6. This is lecture number 5 of mathematics, chapter number 2, whole number. In the previous lecture, we will learn about the number lines, how to take points on number line, but today topic we will learn about the addition and subtraction of whole numbers. Addition and subtraction of the whole numbers. I hope that you will practice the previous lecture exercise 2.1. If you have any problem regarding the exercise 2.1 or today lecture, you will ask a query at the end of this lecture. So let's start today lecture. Addition and subtraction of the whole numbers. Okay, how can we add or subtract two numbers by whole numbers? First is example number 1. Example number 1. Find the sum of given whole number. Find the sum of given whole number. Two numbers 95 plus 63. Example 1. First part is 95 plus 63. You can sum it. Solution: to find the sum of the given number. If you find the sum of the given number, write them in vertical column. Write them in vertical column while placing each digit according to its place value. Okay, if you want to the sum of the given numbers, first of all you will write them in vertical column and then you will place each digit according to its place. So this is the structure that how you sum or subtract two numbers. Okay, first of all you can add two number 95 plus 63. 95 plus 63. So first of all we will write the most right. In the most right we will write the u, it's mean unit. Then you will write the t. At some distance you will write the t, it's mean 10. It's mean unit, it's mean 10. Okay, in below the t you will write the first digit. You will write the first digit. The first digit of this 95 is 9 and the next is 5. Okay, you will write the 5. You will write the 5. Okay, this is 95. You will write the 9 and then 5. In unit you will, in below you will write 5, the most right side of the digit, the most right side of the digit, and then you will write the left side of a digit. In 10 you will write the left side of a digit. So next to the 63, come to the 63. As I already told you that first you will write the most right side of the digit, the most right side of a digit. In 63, the most right side of the digit is 3. In 63, the most right side of the digit is 3. And then, so you will write them in unit, in the place of unit. Okay, we will write them in the place of unit. Then the left digit is 6. The left digit is 6. So you will write them in the left corner, in the place of 10, T. Okay, I hope these steps you will have no problem about these steps. If you have any problem, you will ask a question. Any problem, class? Okay, then you will write this plus. If you add it, you will write plus. If you subtract it, so you will write the sign of subtraction. Okay, so let's start the addition. So the addition of 5 plus 3, 5 plus 3, 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. Okay, 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. So you will write here 8. You will write here 8. You will write here 8. Okay, understand it? 5 plus is equal to 8. So that's why we will write here 8. Okay, come to the left digits. So come to the left digits. 9 plus 6. Add 9 with 6. Add 9 with 6. 9 plus 6 is, tell me, plus 6. 9 plus 6 is equal to 15. 9 plus 6 is equal to 15. So here two digits will come. Two digits, 1 and 5. This is two digits. So how can we write them in this column? So how will write them in this column? Okay, the most right digit, you will write here. The most right digit you will write here, and the left digit one come to the carry, come to as a carry. Okay, the most right digit comes to below, and the next one it goes to the as a carry. Okay, you will write here 5, and the carry is 1. Carry is 1. So in the below of carry, there is, you will write 1. You will write 1. So the answer is 158. 158. I again repeat this question. The question is that find the sum of the given whole numbers. Find the sum of the given whole numbers. Find the sum of the given whole numbers. First part is 95 plus 63. It's mean that you will add 95 with 63. To find the sum of the given numbers, first you will write them in vertical columns. You will write them in vertical columns. And then you will place each digit according to its place value. Place value means that's according to unit, 10,000, 10,000, this signs. According to this signs. Place value means according to this sign. Okay, first number is 95. First number is 95. Okay. The most left side digit you will write at the most right digit. The most right digit is 5. The most right digit is 5. So you will write it at the below of u. It's mean unit at the below of u. And the left digit 9. The left digit 9. You will write at the below of t. It's mean 10. Okay. and the next digit is 63. 63. The 3 is at the most right side, so you will write at the 10, sorry, at the unit, and the most left side digit of is 6, so you will write it at the below of t. Okay, first we will add the most right side digits. We will sum the most right side digits. 5 plus 3 is equal to 5 plus 3 is equal to 8, so you will write here 8. Okay, and the next is 9 plus 6. 9 plus 6. 9 plus 6 is equal to 15. 9 plus 6 is equal to 15. So how can you write 15? In 15 there are two digits, 1 and 5. Okay, in 15 there are two digits, 1 and 5. Okay, class 6, I hope that you will understand. 1 5. Okay, the most right side digit. Okay, the most right side digit, here the most right side digit is 5. 5. The 5 you will write here at the below of t, at the below of t, and the 1, the left side 1 goes to the carry, goes to the carry, the 1 goes to the carry. Okay, this carry, here we will write the carry 1. Okay, this carry, there is no value under the carry, there is no value under the carry, there is a sign plus, there is no value, so the carry is 1, you will write here 1. If there is a value under the carry, there is a value, for example there 2, this is carry, and below the carry there is 2, we write the 2, so you will add both. 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. Okay, we will solve the carry according to this method. So there is no value below the carry, so we will write as same 1. Okay, class, this is part 1 of example number 1. So come to the next part number 2. Come to 2. I hope that you will write the solution of these questions. Come to second part. This is a little bit difficult than the part 1. Okay, but I hope that you will understand. The first number is 634, second and 179, and third is 358. Okay, you will add these, you will add these, you will add these three numbers. Okay, class 6, you will add these three numbers. Same, we will write first this unit 10, 100, unit 10 and 100. Next is 1000, 10,000, and so on. Unit 10, 100. First is 634. 634. 634. Weight loss. This is 634. Okay, I will told you in question number 1 that you will write below the u, you will write below the u the most left digit of the number, the most left digit of the number, and the number is 634. The most, sorry, the most right digit of the number. Here the most right digit of the number is, the most right digit of the number is, tell me boys, tell me class 6, the most left digit of the number is 4. Sorry, the most right digit of the number is 4. So we, you will write under the u is unit is 4. Okay, 4, and the next number is 3. You will write here below the 3, and the next is 6. You will write the left digit h 100. Okay, next number is 170, 179. Okay, the next number is 179. Okay, the most left, the most right digit of this number is 9. The most right digit of this number is 9. Okay, so you will write at the below of u. Okay, and the next digit is 7, so you will write below the 9, and next is 1. We write below the 1. Okay, class, I hope you will understand this. Next is 358. 358. The most right digit of this number is 8. Okay, class, you will write under the u. Okay, you write under the u. Next is 5. You will also write it under the t, and the next, the most left digit is 3. So we write here. Okay. So write sum these three numbers. Wait. So we will write these three numbers. Let's start. We will add these three numbers. 4. First is 4. Second is 9. And the third is 8. We will add first this. We'll add first this. And the next is 8. Okay, add these three number digits. 4 plus 9 is equal to 4 plus 9 is equal to, tell me, 9 plus 4 is equal to 13. 9 plus 4 is equal to 13. Okay, 13. 9 plus 4 is equal to 13. 13 plus 8. 13 plus 8 is equal to 21. The answer is 21. This is your answer. The answer is 21. So tell me that how to write these digits 21. How will you write these 21? There are two digits in 21, 1 and 2. So I already told you that the most right side digit, which is 1, you will write at the below. You will write at the below. And the left is 2, so they will go as a carry. They will go as a carry. Okay, class, I again repeat it. The answer is 21. The 1, the right side digit, which is 1, below goes to the under to the u, and the right left side digit is 2, which goes as a carry. The 2 goes as a carry. Okay, come to the next. 3 plus 7 plus 5. 3 plus 7 plus 5. Add these three digits. Add these three digits. First is 3, second is 7, third is 5. Okay, 3 plus 7 plus 5. Add first two. 7 plus 3 is equal to 7 plus 3 is equal to 10. And then add 5. 10 plus 5 is equal to 10 plus 5 is equal to 15. 10 plus 5 is equal to 10 plus 5 is equal to 15. So tell me, how can we write 15? How can we write 15? And see this, there is a carry with this number, there is a carry which is 2. So we add 2. In 15 we add 2. In 15 we add 2. So the answer is 17. How 17 has come? When you add 3 plus 7 plus 5. 3 plus 7 plus 5, the answer is 15. But there is a carry. See this. There is a carry which is 2. So we add 2 in 15. 15 plus 2 is equal to 17. So how can we write 17? The most right side digit of the most right side digit of the most right side digit of the 17 is 7. So we will write 7 here. And the left side digit is 1. So 1 goes as a carry. 1 goes as a carry. Okay, class, 1 goes as a carry. I hope that you will understand this method. 1 goes as a carry. So the next digit is 6 plus 1 plus 3. 6 plus 1 plus 3. Okay, first you will solve it. 6 plus 1. 6 6 plus 1 plus 3. Okay, tell me, 6 plus 1 plus 3 is equal to 10. Is equal to 10. Okay, the answer is 10. There is a carry. 6 plus 1, 3, there is a carry in the top. 1. So we add 1. The answer is 10 plus 1 is equal to 11. The answer is 11. Okay, class. The answer is 11. How can we write 11? The answer is 11. How can we write 11? The most right side digit of 11 is 1. So 1 here. And this one goes as a carry. This one goes as a carry. This is carry. This one goes as a carry. So here the 1. There is no value under the 1. There is no value under the 1. So we will write 1. So the answer is 1171. So the answer is 1171. To understand these questions, you will need more practice. Okay, come to the next. Trial part 9056 plus 8172. Add it. This is your task. Add 9056 plus 8172. Add class 6. You have only 2 minutes. Okay, I hope that maximum students can solve this question. Okay, come. There is 4 digits number. There is 4 digit number. Okay, class. There is 4 digit number. So see, first number is 9056. First number is 9056. So the most you will write first unit 10, 100,000. Unit 10, 100,000 in short form. UTHDS. This is a short form of unit 10, 100,000. Okay. The most right side digit of this 9056 is 6, and then 5, and then 0, and then 9. Okay. The next is 8172. 8172. 8172. Okay. First write 2, then 7, 1 and 8. Okay. अब आपको इसमें कोई भी परेशानी नहीं होनी चाहिए इस तरह लिखने में. ओके ओके काम. Let's start to solve this number. 6 plus 2. 6 plus 2 is 8. 5 plus 7. 5 plus 7 is equal to 12. 5 plus 7 is equal to 12. The most right side of this number is 2. So 2 comes here, and the left side number is 1. So 1 goes as a carry. 1 goes as a carry. So the next is 0 plus 1. 0 plus 1 is equal to 1. But see this, the carry will also come. So we will add with 1. 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. So the answer is 2. See this. Next is 9 plus 8. 9 plus 8. 9 plus 8 is equal to 17. In 17, the most left side digit is 7. The most, sorry, right side digit is 7. So 7 here has come. The next digit is 1. 1 goes as a carry. So there is no value under the carry. So we will write here carry. Okay, the answer is 17228. 17228. Any query, class? If you have not query, so we go to the next slide. Example 2. Example 2. Perform the following subtraction. Perform the following subtraction. Perform the following subtraction. You will subtract 842 and 391. 842, 391. This is same method as previous example number 1, but here you will subtract it. Here you will subtract it. You will write. You will write. You will write UTH. UTH. Okay, write the digit same as the previous 842. Okay, the most right side digit is 2, so we write 2, 4, then 4, and then 8. Same 391. The most side digit is 1, then 9, then 3. You will subtract it. You will subtract it. Okay, come to the solution of this. 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. So we will write 1. So we will write 1. Next is 4 minus 9. We can't subtract it from 4 to 9 because 4 is less small number and 9 is a greater number. So how can we solve it? Come here 8 to the next digit. So we less this one. There is 8. We can write it 7. We can write it 7. Okay. We can write it 7. So when we will write 7, less one number, जब 8 को एक नंबर कम कर देंगे 7 कर देंगे, so here the carry will come 1. Okay, when the carry will come, they make 14. 4 make 14. Okay, we can subtract it. 14 minus 9. 14 minus 9. 5. The answer is 5. 14 minus 9 is equal to 5. So we will write 5. Okay, here is 7, not a 8. Okay, why the 8 is not come? Because we will make a carry. We will take a carry. We will make 4 to 14. So that's why the 7 will come. 7 minus 3. 7 minus 3 is 4. 7 minus 3 is 4. We will write 4. Okay, class. The answer is 451. 451. I hope that you will understand how to add or subtract any two number. So any question, class? You will have only 7 minutes left. Any question? There is no question number 12, class. FSC. Any question, class? Yes, I will send PDF in Google Drive. 13, 15, 10. Tell me the part. Class 6 students, tell me the part. Example number 1, 2 parts and 3 parts, and example number 2 have only 1 part. There is no question number 12, I think. Part 1, question number 1. Example, it's mean that example number 1, part number 1, I think. So come to part number 1. This is part number 1. Okay, class, see this. $95 plus 63. You will add two numbers, 95 plus 63. Okay, first you will write U and T. It's mean that unit and 10. In 95, you will tell me that in 95, you will tell me that which is the most right side number. Which is the most right side number in 95, which is the most right side number, the 5. So 5 will write here below the unit, and the left side number is 9, so the 9 will come here. As same in 63, the most right side number is 3, so we will write 3. The most left side number is 6, so we will write 6. Okay, so at this, 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. Okay, we will write 8. Next is 9 plus 6. 9 plus 6 is equal to 15. The answer is 15. So how can we write two numbers 15? Sorry, two digits 15. The most right side digit is 5. So 5 will come here. And the 1 goes as a carry. 1 goes as a carry. So there is no value under the carry. There is no value under the carry. So the carry goes same. 1 is the carry, so the value will 1 will come here. Any other problem? Any other problem, class? Yes, due to the internet issue, screen is not coming properly. Only 5 minutes left. Don't send us stickers in chat. Only send a question, if any. I can't solve the issue of blur screen because this is an internet issue. कल मैं आप लोगों से ये पूछूंगा क्वेश्चंस. In Google Drive, I will send PDF. You will receive a link of Google Drive in WhatsApp. Click it and goes to the Google Drive and then open class 6 math lectures and goes to the lecture number 5 and then see you this PDF. The PDF is sent to the Google Drive and the lecture. This lecture recording will send to the YouTube channel Shining Star School System Online Lectures. Go and see this link. Only 1 minute were left. If you have a question regarding this lecture, then ask quickly. I think YouTube link is in your WhatsApp group. If you can't find any link, then go to the YouTube and search Shining Star Public School online lectures. I think class 6 you will understand this lecture. Okay, in the next lecture we will start exercise 2.2. Good.